Hey aspirants, welcome to Freshers Live Hindu article discussion. In this video, I will be discussing some important articles from Hindu that may be asked for competitive exams. Now let's get into the video. Look at this news. Cyclone Vayu to be very severe. Wind speed of 175 km per hour. The very severe cyclonic storm Vayu over East Central and adjoining Northeast Arabian Sea moved north-northwestwards with speed of about 11 km per hour in last 6 hours and lay centered at 53 hours IST of today, the 13th June 2019, near latitude 20.3 degree north and longitude 69.5 degree east over northeast and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea, about 150 km south-southwest of Diu, 110 km southwest of Verawal, Gujarat, and 150 km nearly south of Porbandar. It is very likely to move north-northwestwards for some time and then northwestwards, skirting the Saurashtra coast, affecting Gir Somnath, Diu, Junagadh, Porbandar, and Devbhoomi Dwarak, with wind speed of 135 to 145 km per hour, gusting to 160 km from afternoon of 13th June 2019. Here are the important related questions that may be asked from this article. Who said Cyclone Vayu is to be severe? Indian Meteorological Department. What is the speed of the cyclone to be expected? It is between 140 km to 175 km per hour. Landfall is expected to be where? Saurashtra Coast Road. Where it is expected to cross? Between Dwarka and Verawal in Gujarat. Hey, now look at this news. A news related to science. DRDO test take demonstrator. HSTDV will have multiple civilian use. The Defence Research and Development Organization conducted the maiden test of an indigenously developed hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle along with several technologies on 12th June. This missile was successfully launched from Dr. Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha. The missile was tracked by various radars, telemetry stations and electro-optical tracking sensors through its course. The project aims to develop a hypersonic vehicle that will be powered by a scramjet engine. The HSTDV demonstrated the performance of a scramjet engine at an altitude of 15 km to 20 km. Here are the related important questions that may be asked from this article. DRDO conducted the test to develop dash. The correct answer is hypersonic technology demonstrator. Critical technology for a futuristic mission is from dash. Abdul Kalam Island off coast of Odisha. Who is the Defence Minister? Rajnath Singh. Who is the former DRDO chief? V.K. Saraswat. Missile was launched at dash. 1127 hours. Now look at this news. President rule in Jammu and Kashmir is extended. The Union Cabinet approved an extension of President's rule in Jammu and Kashmir for 6 more months beginning July 3. The central rule has been continuing in Jammu and Kashmir since June 20, 2018. The present term of President's rule expires on July 2. The Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Saipal Malik, has also recommended that the President rule in the state may be extended for a further period of 6 months with effect from July 3. This is because under Section 92 of the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, there is no provision for further continuation of Governor's rule after 6 months. The President's rule was imposed on December 20, 2018. Here are the important questions that may be asked from this article are: for how many months the President's rule in Jammu and Kashmir has been extended? 6 months. Who approved the President's rule for 6 months? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When does the central rule has been in force? Since June 20, 2018. Now look at this news related to medical. Indian Medical Council Amendment Bill cleared. The Cabinet has approved the Indian Medical Council and Homeopathy Central Council Bill 2019. The Homeopathy Central Council, both of which had lapsed in the 16th Lok Sabha session. The bill will be reintroduced in the next Parliament session. The Medical Council Bill is aimed at bringing transparency and quality in the government of medical education. Homeopathy Central Council meanwhile seeks to extend the period for reconstitution of the Central Council from existing period of 1 year to 2 years ago, so that the tenure of the Board of Government may be extended for a further period of 1 year with effect from May 17, 2019. Here are the important related questions that may be asked from this article. Which bill did the Cabinet approve? The Indian Medical Council Amendment Bill and Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill. What does the Medical Council Bill aims at bringing in? Transparency and quality. Homeopathy Central Council extended the period of reconstitution of Central Council from existing period of dash 1 year to 2 years. Now look at this bank related news. IDBI Bank cuts MCLR by 5 to 10 bps across various tenors. Life Insurance Corporation of India owned IDBI Bank reduced its marginal cost of funds based lending rate by 5 to 10 basis points to 8.95% across various tenors with immediate effect on June 12. Against 1 year MCLR, most of the customers' loans such as auto, personal and home loans are priced. MCLR means the marginal cost of funds based lending rate refers to the minimum interest rate of a bank below which it cannot lend except in some cases allowed by the RBI. It is an internal benchmark or reference rate for the bank. Here are the important questions that may be asked from this article. Life Insurance Corporation of India has owned Dash Bank, IDBI. The lending rate was reduced by dash basis points across various tenors, 5 to 10. The lender has reduced its 1 year MCLR to 8.95%. The new 1 month, 6 month rates are dash respectively, the bank said in a release. 7.90%, 8.15% and 8.60%.